Welcome to another spice up recipe. Today mom is going to cook local chicken curry which is going to be hot and spicy and non-vegetarian stuff. Take about 1 kilogram of chicken, ginger about 20 grams. We're gonna slice it without smashing it. Bamboo shoot extracted juice about 70 to 75 ml. Red chili powder 3 tablespoons. Let's put the ginger. Add water as required. Let's boil it for 15 minutes with red chili powder, sliced ginger, salt, and bamboo shoot juice. Add salt. After 15 minutes, add the chicken in orderly manner and start to cook for about 40 minutes. Gently stir up after a few minutes time. Smash garlic in about 20 cloves. Smashed it properly.
Creative seeds grown in a pot. This is garlic leaf. In Nagamese we call this losun. In our own dialect, sanrang. We'll put this in our local chicken. Let's try this one. It will smell the wow.
Dash butter for flavor. Garlic paste. You are advised to serve this recipe with steamed rice and simple yam curry for a classic combination. Fresh garlic leaves cut into pieces. This is to enhance taste and flavor. This will be the last ingredient we are going to use.
Bas, our local chicken. चलो भात खाओ भी मजा टिंग अच्छा মজা আছে লকল বন্ধুরা বেশি ভালো